Yuki blooming, learn Japanese the easy way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. N5 Complete Grammar Part 1. Do you feel Japanese grammar is confusing? Too many particles? Too many rules? Don't worry. In this video, we will learn JLPT N5 grammar slowly and easily with simple example. Hi, I am Yuki. Let's learn Japanese together step by step. Okay, minasan, so first let's learn desu. Desu means is, am, or are. We use it to make a simple sentence. Let's understand with the simple examples. Watashi wa gakusei desu. I am a student. Kare wa sensei desu. He is a teacher. Kore wa hon desu. This is a book. Minasan, let's repeat together. Gakusei desu. Sensei desu. Hon desu. Good. Very easy, right? So let's learn next grammar. Janai means not. It makes a sentence negative. Examples: Gakusei janai, not a student. Sensei janai, not a teacher. Now read this. Yes, kore wa hon janai. This is not a book. Comparison between desu and janai. Gakusei desu is a student. Gakusei janai, not a student. Let's move on to the next. Wa shows what we are talking about. Think of it as the topic of the sentence. Examples: Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. I am Japanese. Neko wa kawaii desu. The cat is cute, right? Nihon wa kirei desu, isn't it? Yes, Japan is beautiful. Watashi wa sensei janai. I am not a teacher. Do you remember janai? And wa is very common in Japanese. Next, ga. Ga shows who or what is important in the sentence. Let's see examples. Dare ga kimashita ka? Who came? Neko ga imasu. There is a cat. Ame ga futte imasu. It is raining. Minasan, try to read this and don't forget to comment. I'm happy to read. So let's jump into next grammar. O. O shows the thing receiving the action. Like pa o tabemasu, eat bread. Mizu o nomimasu. Drink water. Hon o yomimasu. Read a book. Minasan, try to read this and comment. Move on to the next grammar. Ni. Ni often means to or at. Quick understand with examples. Gakkou ni ikimasu. Go to school. Ie ni imasu. Stay at home. Goji ni okimasu. Wake up at 5. Okay, so it is a reading for you guys. Come, let's do next grammar. A. A shows direction, it means toward. Examples: Nihon e ikimasu. Go toward Japan. Gakkou e ikimasu. Go toward school. Next grammar. They shows where an action happens. Gakkou de benkyou shimasu. Study at school. Ie de tabemasu. Eat at home. Mise de kaimasu. Buy at shop. Can you read these? Try. Next grammar point. To. To means and or with. Tomodachi to ikimasu. Go with friend. Ringo to banana. Apple and banana. This is for you guys. Try to read. Next, mo. Mo means also or to. Remember T-O-O, to. Watashi mo ikimasu. I will go too. Kare mo gakusei desu. He is also a student. Minasan, please try to read these. Next, no. No shows possession. It means of or my. Watashi no hon. My book. Kare no kuruma. His car. Nihon no bunka, Japanese culture. Minasan, try to read these and make your own sentence and comment. Next grammar point 12. Ya. Ya means and more. Ringo ya banana, apples and bananas. Hon ya noto, books and notebooks. Next grammar 13. Kara. Kara means from. Indo kara kimashita. I came from India. Gakko kara kairimasu. Return from school. Ie kara eki made arukimasu. Walk from home to station. Next 14th made means until or up to. Goji made benkyou shimasu. I study until 5 o'clock. Eki made ikimasu. I go to the station or I go to until station. Yoru made hatarakimasu. I work until night. 15th aru. Aru means there is for things. Hon ga arimasu. There is a book. Tsukue ga arimasu. There is a table. Koen ga arimasu. There is a park. Next 16th iru. Iru means there is for people and animals. Here we use imasu for people and animals. Hito ga imasu. There is a person. Inu ga imasu. Here is a dog. Sensei ga imasu. There is a teacher. Neko ga imasu. There is a cat. Next 17th ka. Ka makes a question. Ikimasu ka? Will you go? Tabemasu ka? Will you eat? Nihonjin desu ka? Minasan, anata wa Nihonjin desu ka? Comment. Are you Japanese? Gakusei desu ka? Are you a student? 18th. Ka means A or B. Ocha ka coffee, tea or coffee. Nihon ka Indo, Japan or India. 19th mada. Mada means not yet or still. Mada tabete inai. Not eaten yet. Mada itte inai. Not gone yet. mada nete inai, not slept yet. Minasan omedetou. Next 20th grammar. Mo. Mo means already. Mo tabeta, already ate. Mo itta, already went. Mo mimashita, already watched. Great job! Today we learned 20 grammar points. Don't try to memorize everything today, just listen, repeat and practice slowly. Now your turn, write one simple Japanese sentence in the comment. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. So this motivates me to make more videos. Next video, JLPT N5 Grammar Full Course Part 2, which is final part of N5 Grammar. So let's meet in next video. Take care. Mata ne.